Hi, I'm Craig Allen, Area Manager, Central and South Taranaki. And today I'm going to be talking about teat spray mixing. Several years ago, a study was done about teat spray. 70% of it is either mixed incorrectly or applied incorrectly. Before I mix up this batch of teat spray, I want to talk to you a little bit about batch mixing in vessels. People add the teat spray and then put the hose in on top of it. This creates a lot of foam and incorrect mixing quantities. Please ensure you use a clean bucket to add the product to your vessel. Today I'm mixing a high-risk batch with 15 litres of water, as you can see on the line, 3 litres of Iodoshield active and 2 litres of active teat conditioner. Adding the teat spray to the water and gradually stirring. It's a bit like baking a cake, really. Please use potable water and clean mixing jugs and buckets. Voila! The beauty of this bucket has all the increments on it. I've added the 15 litres of water, 3 litres of teat spray and the 2 litres of teat conditioner, which adds up to a 20 litre mix.